Hello and welcome to the channel The Zone of Progress. So in this video I have shown a wireless mouse which I have bought and it is perfectly working in the phone. So let's review it. So hey guys, today I have bought this brand new wireless mouse. So it can work up to 10 meter and we are going to see how much compatible this is. So we are going to unbox it. So I'm turning it and just opening its back. So I have found it at $5. So this is something written there. Works with what is there? Microsoft Windows 7 or something. Features: USB interface, 2.4 GHz operating frequency, 4.6 operating mouse, something with auto on off. So it automatically offs or on. So this is its dongle and this is the mouse. So you can see the mouse, how premium it is. So let's open it. There is nothing, but there is given system to give two batteries. So I have bought these two batteries from shop. So I'm going to plug it. Okay, so I have plugged. The bulb is blinking. So nice. So this is the cover. And what is this space for? I think this is for dongle. So you can put this dongle and just use it. Alright, so nice. So I am going to use it in the mobile right now. So this is the dongle. So you can feel its premium. It's so premium. This is dedicated pixel DPI button. There is nothing. So see how it works. I'm going to use it in my mobile phone. So see, I have plugged in that mouse in my mobile phone. So you can see this cursor over here. And this works so fine.